Introduction. Concrete is a homogeneous mixture of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate with adequate quantity of water. Since all the physical properties of concrete are directly or indirectly related to crushing of strength, it is important the properties of concrete. This is the following factors that influence the compressive strength of concrete: water-cement ratio, aggregate-cement ratio, aggregate grading and maximum size aggregates, compaction, curing, and age of concrete. Concrete obtains at the maximum strength where complete hydration of cement takes place. Any excess of water introduces porosity in concrete due to evaporation of the excess water, and in turn reduce the strength of concrete. Curing is done during the early stage of hardening. The maximum strength of concrete is reached only after 28 days of curing. Objective: to conduct a compression test on concrete cube to find the ultimate crushing strength, to determine the characteristic strength of concrete. Test setup. In this test, a standard test load is applied parallel to the longitudinal axis of a pre-mold and properly cured concrete cube of a standard size. How to use. While testing, the compressometer readings are known at different load levels in order to calculate the stress and the corresponding strain. Procedure. Remove the specific test specimen from the curing tank. Wipe to a surface dry condition and remove any loose sand grains for test surface. Then determine the unique weight of specimen by carefully weighing and measuring the dimension of length of each cubical specimen. After that, place specimen below the center of the upper bearing block of the testing machine to ensure the most flat and clean of the mold. After that, check the gauge and start the machine. Last but not least, record the total maximum load as indicated by the testing machine. Result. There are three types of crack. First, non-explosive. Second, semi-explosive. And third, explosive. This is for cube. This is compressive strength of different grades of concrete at 7, 14, 21, and 28 days. You can read by your own. This is the sample of the result for 7 and 28 days. Different days, a different result. Safety and precaution. Wear safety glass. Wear normal safety PPE overall like safety boots. Apply barrier cream to hands and wear protective gloves. Always keep your hand clear of fuel spray. Warm the engine to normal operating temperature. Disable the fuel and ignition system. Remove all spark plugs. Hold the throttle plate wide open. Install compression tester and crank engine. Record the first puff and final compression pressure reading for each cylinder. Analyze your test result. Conclusion. The more curing the process begins, the more compression strength increase.